What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Veloster, and this car before accident, that's why all those airbag light coming. So today I will show you B1373 passenger airbag active vent resistance too high. What is active vent resistance and where is the location this active vent resistance? This is not a passenger airbag. You can see here passenger airbag is another one. Okay, so this is car and passenger side. See, when you come passenger side, here you can see those two wire for this airbag, passenger airbag, and you can get here another wire. This is vent resistance. Okay, this one.